Hey guys, welcome. Before we starts with mindfulness meditation guide, let me tell you that those who learn mindfulness meditation techniques often say they feel less stress, think clearer. So stick around, I will show you how. 1. What is mindfulness meditation? Mindfulness is a type of meditation in which you focus on being intensely aware of what you're sensing and feeling in the moment, without interpretation or judgment. Practicing mindfulness involves breathing methods, guided imagery, and other practices to relax the body and mind and help reduce stress. Spending too much time planning, problem solving, daydreaming, or thinking negative or random thoughts can be draining. It can also make you more likely to experience stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. Practicing mindfulness exercises can help you direct your attention away from this kind of thinking and engage with the world around you. Here are some benefits of mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation has been studied in many clinical trials. The overall evidence supports the effectiveness of meditation for various conditions, including stress, anxiety, pain, depression, insomnia, high blood pressure, hypertension. Preliminary research indicates that meditation can also help people with asthma and fibromyalgia. Now, here is the main part for which you have been waiting for. How to do mindfulness meditation. 1. Settle in. Find a quiet space. Using a cushion or chair, sit up straight but not stiff. Allow your head and shoulders to rest comfortably. Place your hands on the tops of your legs with upper arms at your side. 2. Now breathe. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and relax. Feel the fall and rise of your chest and the expansion and contraction of your belly. With each breath, notice the coolness as it enters and the warmth as it exits. Don't control the breath but follow its natural flow. 3. Stay focused. Thoughts will try to pull your attention away from the breath. Notice them, but don't pass judgment. Gently return your focus to your breath. Some people count their breaths as a way to stay focused. 4. Take 10. A daily practice will provide the most benefits. It can be 10 minutes per day, however, 20 minutes twice a day is often recommended for maximum benefit. Hope you found this video interesting and you have found your answers. If yes, support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. God bless you all. Happy meditation.